Exponential equation exercise 5.3. We are starting question 10. 3 times 9 to the power x minus 4 times 3 to the power x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. We are going to find out the value of x. First, we just multiply this one. 3 times 9 to the power x minus 3 times 4 is a 12 times 3 to the power x minus 1, and here is a plus 1 equals to 0, right? Now 3 and this 9 we can write 3 square, so it will be 3 to the power 2x minus 12, and here is a 3 to the power x can be write 3 to the power minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Why? Because if a to the power like m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Now look, here is a interesting thing or important thing, 3 to the power 2x and 3 to the power x. So let 3 to the power x equals to a, so we can write 3 to the power, here is a 3 to the power 2x. If 3 to the power x equals to 1, so it will be 3 times a square minus 12a times this 3 to the power 1 by a, we can write 3 to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by 3 plus 1 equals to 0. Now is the most important thing, like here is a 3a square minus this 12, we can divide it by 3, so it will be 4, we can write 4a plus 1 equals to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation, so we can make middle term factor. Here is a 3 times 1, it will be 3, so 1 times 3 equals to 3, and 1 minus 3, it will be minus 4. So we can write like 3a square minus 3a minus a plus 1 equals to 0. So we can take common 3a from this equation, so here will be what? A, and here is a minus 1 once we take, so here is a minus 1 equals to 0. So from this expression we can take common a minus 1, and here is a 3a minus 1 equals to 0. So here is the two things, either a minus 1 equals to 0, we can write a equals to 1, and a means what? A means here is a 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x. So against 1 we can write 3 to the power 0. So finally we can write here base are same, so x equals to 0. It's a one thing. Or here we can write 3a minus 1 equals to 0, so we can write this one is 3a, we are adding both side by 1, so here is a 1, and then a equals to 1 by 3. Against a we can instead of a we can write 3 to the power x equals to 1 by 3, it means 3 to the power minus 1. So here base are same, we can write x equals to minus 1. So we get two answer, one is 0, another one is minus 1. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Question 11. 4 to the power 1 plus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 10. So from beginning we can write like, we know if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. So here is also same thing, 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power minus x equals to 10. So for more easy thing, 4 times 4 to the power x plus 4 by 4 to the power minus x, as per negative exponent a to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by a. Same thing, it will be 4 to the power x equals to 10. Now let 4 to the power x equals to a. So this case we can write 4a plus 4 by a equals to 10. So we can make LCM. Here is a, so here will be 4a square plus 4 equals to 10. Now we are multiplying both sides by a, so it will be 4a square plus 4 equals to 10a, right? Then 4a square we can write, we are subtract both sides by 10a, so minus 10a plus 4 equals to 0. So it's a prime factorization. We can do this algebraic expression like 4 times 4 equals to 16. 16 can be write 8 times 2. 8 times 2, it's a 16, and again 8 plus 2 is a 10. So we can write 4a square minus 8a minus 2a plus 4 equals to 0, right? Now we can take common 4a, so we will get a minus 2, and here is a minus 1. Once we minus, not minus 1, actually minus 2. Minus 2, here is a minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can take common a minus 2, so here will be 4a minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now we can write either a minus 2 equals to 0, so we can write a equals to 2. Against a we can write 4 to the power x, here is a 2. Then we can write 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2x, 2 square means 4, and this one here is a 2 and power is a 1. So once base are same, 2 and 2, we can write 2x equals to 1. So finally x equals to 1 by 2 is our answer. Or here is a 4a minus 2 equals to 0. Now look, 4a, we are adding both sides by 2, so it's a 2a. Now we are divide both sides by 2, so here is a 2a and here is a 1, right? Now a means what? A means we already know 4 to the power x, right? 4 to the power x. So here is, we also can write like, actually in here we can divide by 4, right? We can divide by 4. So here is a 2 by 4. A means 4 to the power x, and here is a 1 by 2. So this one we can write 2 to the power 2x, and this one we can write 2 to the power minus 1. So base are same, so 2x equals to minus 1. So answer is x equals to minus 1 by 2. Very simple. So number 11 done. So 10 and 11 done. Next video we will start by 12. Next part, question 12. We already done 10 and 11. 12, 2 to the power 2x minus 3 times 2 to the power x plus 2 equals to minus 32. So first, here is a 2 to the power 2x minus 3 times, we know a to the power m plus n can be write a to the power m times a to the power n. So here is a 2 to the power x plus 2. 2 to the power x plus 2, we can write 2 to the power x times 2 square equals to minus 32. Now here is a 2 to the power 2x minus 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 is a 12 times 2 to the power x equals to minus 32. Now let 2 to the power x can be write a. So 2 is 2 to the power 2x, it means like 2x to the power 2. So if a So it's a square. So we can write a square minus 12a, and we are adding both side by 32, so it will be 32 equals to 0. 8 times 4 is a 32, and 8 plus 4, 8 times 4 equals to 32, and 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So this one we can write a square minus 8a minus 4a plus 32 equals to 0. So we can take common a, so a minus 8, we can take common minus 4, so a minus 8 equals to 0. Now here is a minus 8 and a minus 4 equals to 0. So now we can write either a minus 8 equals to 0. This case we can write a equals to 8 because we are adding both side by 8. A means what? A means 2 to the power x. So here is a 2 to the power x, and 8 can be write 2 to the power 3. So we can write x equals to 3 because the base are same. In this case power will be equal. Or a minus 4 equals to 0, a equals to 4, a means 2 to the power x, 4 means 2 square. So here is a x equals to 2. So finally in this chapter it means exercise 5.3 has done. Number 12 completed. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please should write in your copy 1 to 12 all math, because all the math are very important. Thank you.